This is a trade in ITDC. So ITDC had crossed its 52-week high, so came into my watch list, and as we can see here, the price and the volume both got contracted. So I was ready to buy on a bullish strong start today, which happened in the first 3-minute bar itself. So I went long, and I'm still holding the position. I'm looking for 954 to 969 and 1100 to 1180 as the potential targets on this one. So it's a very simple rectangle breakout with 289 points. So that roughly comes to around 1140. So I'm looking at some intermediate targets also to book partial profits. So this whole saga of the stock started with this beautiful morning star, which immediately negated this voting count, election results day rather. And once it's broke out of this high, it was only a matter of time before it crossed the previous high. So I have a position from here, and I have now added another position here. So I have two positions in ITDC now. So let's see how it goes. I hope this was a useful educational content. Thank you very much. Please join for more such videos. Bye bye.